Hi, welcome to Active Art. My name's Laura and I'm going to be doing another trough pour today. Be using some metallics and some non-metallics. Primarily some blues. Gold, copper, orange. Oh, a little crazy with that one. Alright. A little gold. Now this gold's from Deco Art. What I've noticed most of the time, the gold kind of blends in, but it does still kind of leave some sparkle to it, to the painting, even if it doesn't show up real well as the actual gold. Let's do some more of this dark blue. And I'm kind of alternating how I'm doing with the paints. I'm alternating how I'm doing with the paints a little bit. By some of them, in some areas, I'm just kind of letting it run down the side and into the paint. In some areas, I'm dropping it straight in, so to get more of a, it'll sink in a little bit. Alright, I want to put just a little bit of a darker color in here. Here's a brown that actually does have some gold in it as well. Alright, I think that might be enough. I'll use a little more, just make sure I have enough paint. A little more gold. Alright, let's try that out. Alright, we'll let that dry. And I'll throw a picture of that on the video. You can see how it dries, how the paints move. Thanks for coming by. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.